What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we are going to make an Oklahoma smash burger. I don't know why I have not done one of these yet, but in the first video, Chris, Showtime Pizza Report, he mentioned this one, so thought I'd do it. I mean, I've seen a lot of the other big guys do it, Wall Twins and Hussey and all them, and it just looks so good. I don't know why I haven't done it. So that's what we're going to dive into today, and I got some other good ones coming up. A meatloaf burger. Bobby, she recommended what was it? A pork slider. So I'm going to be doing that one. I think that's going to be amazing. But yeah, let's dive into this one. All right, I got the griddle warming up. We're almost ready to go on that. So we're using some 80-20 ground beef. We got some thinly sliced onion. We got cheese, American cheese, and some Kaiser buns. So that's what we're going to be throwing onto this. This is going to be really good. So simple, minimal ingredients. Perfect. All right, so here's what we got here. We got 4 patties that we're going to do. Got a little leftover meat. Figure something out with that. Got a couple smaller ones. All right. And now the onion. So this is the onion right here. It's as thin as I could do it by hand. Got a loud motorcycle. But the easiest way to do that would be to use a mandolin and just use that, but I just don't have one, and they're super dangerous. So if you do have one and you do this, be careful. Don't chop your fingers off. Alright, so we got 3 burgers. The other one's my daughter's. And I don't think she would appreciate that as much as we would. A little bit more. Let's just use them all. Why not? Alright. And now we smash. Alright, so my daughter's right here. That thing is pretty much done. Nice sear on that. Let me get that going. Throw the American cheese on there. Always lose that spot. So now, the onions that kind of fell off to the side, I'm still going to be using those. I'm going to kind of put them together. This one's kind of falling apart a little bit. But actually, I'm not ready to flip these ones yet. I think those are still going good. Alright, so we got these flipped. Let's throw that cheese on there. Boom. Now, you know what? I'm going to let that cheese kind of melt a little bit. Wipes is just about done. And then we're going to put the top bun on there. And, yeah, we're looking good. Alright, boom. We're going to put that top on right there. We're going to leave that there to kind of get a little steam action from the stuff. And, yeah, we're pretty much ready to build this thing. I'm just waiting a hot second to make sure them onions are nice and crispy. Alright, patty number 1. Let's get you right in there. Ooh, buddy. Number 2. All that cheesy goodness. Alright, let's dive into this. This looks so good. Everything, that cheese just, oh, look at that. Just looks so good. And it's super easy. I've seen this done a lot of different ways. I chose not to put any seasoning on there because that's what a lot of people do, I guess. And so I was like, give it a try. Why not? I mean, grilled onions are amazing to me. I love them. So let's try it. Simple. Delicious. I like the flavor that those crispy onions get. So good. That cheese is super creamy. Nice bun. Stayed together well. That's an easy, delicious burger. I'll tell you what. Ain't nothing wrong with that burger. And I did add, there's a bunch of leftover onions. I threw those on, but most of them are falling out over there. But man, this is really good. I recommend you try it. Let me know if you do this. What way do you do this? Let me know. I'm curious. I like to try different things. So if you put seasoning on there, what kind? I know a lot of people will do like just salt and pepper, something basic. But yeah, let me know. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if you got any other burgers. I'm going to try and put out maybe 2 videos next week and maybe 2 the next week after that because of all the burger suggestions I'm getting. So, yeah, let me know. I appreciate it. Thanks.